Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite subjects, and that is teaching the alphabet. If you have preschoolers, then this is probably something that you've thought about teaching them, or something that maybe you're not sure how to go about teaching them, or whatever it is. It's definitely a popular topic. And I wanted to share with you today 5 different games or activities that you can play with your preschooler to help them learn their ABCs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right in and talk about one of the first ones. This is very easy. All you're going to need are some do-a-dot markers and some do-a-dot printables. And you can get these for free online. Just search on Pinterest or search on Google and you can find these. Oops, that's upside down, huh? You can find these, they're both upside down. You can find these online, and I like to get the letter ones to start out with. And all you do is you give your child a do-a-dot marker, and then they have to fill in each dot. And this is really good for fine motor skill. So what you want to do while your child is filling in the little dots with the do-a-dot markers is just talk to them about the letter. Say, okay, this is the letter A. A says A. This is the big A. This is the little A. Little A says A. And it's just very simple, very easy. If you don't have do-a-dot markers, they could try to color them in. You could use regular markers. You could even use like little circular stickers and have them fill them in. Just whatever it is, have them dot the letter, talk about it, and have fun with it. I usually like to start with the first letter of the child's name. So I have a little child named Isaac, and he will be filling in his I for his name. So that's the first activity. The second activity is called Alphabet Hopscotch, and this is a pretty fun one. All you need is some sidewalk chalk and either your driveway, or if you have a concrete patio or something like that, something that's a fairly big space. And what you're going to do is you're going to write the letter A with your sidewalk chalk. You'll write another random letter over here, write the letter B, write another random letter, write the letter C, write another random letter, and keep doing that. And what you want to do is have your child hop on each letter as it would be in alphabetical order. So he might get kind of confused. He might see, okay, here's A, and I see B over here, and I see S over here. But I know B comes after C, so A, B, C, D, E, F, and then just keep going. If he accidentally hops on the wrong letter, have him go back to the letter that he was on before and try again. And that's a great way to practice alphabetical order. If your child is younger and just starting to learn his ABCs, you could do the correct letters all in one color, and then the incorrect letters all in one color, and say, okay, only hop on the blue letters, and then say the alphabet each time you hop on that letter. So you would say, hop on A, say A, hop on B, say B, and just keep going like that. So that's another fun way. It also helps to get the kids moving, and it's just a fun activity. Okay, the second activity that I have also involves sidewalk chalk and writing letters outside. So write down a bunch of different letters, capitals and lowercase if you want, and give your child a spray bottle. You can get those at the Dollar Tree really inexpensively. I think even Walmart you can get them for like 98 cents, which is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And what kid does not love to spray stuff? I know if my kids get a hold of a spray bottle, they're spraying everything. But say, okay, I'm going to tell you a letter to spray, and as soon as I say it, go find it and spray it. So that's easy. That's as simple as it is, and they have a lot of fun doing that, and it helps them learn their letters. Alternatively, you could say, okay, I want you to spray the letter that makes the sound B. Find the letter that makes the sound B. So you could either practice this with letter names or letter sounds. All right, so that was number 3. Number 4 is a fun one. It's called secret letters. And what you're gonna need is just a standard sheet of white printer paper, a white crayon, and then a thing of watercolors, just like the Crayola watercolors is fine. And what you're going to do is write different letters with the white crayon on the white piece of paper. Then you're going to give your child the piece of paper and the watercolors, and you're going to have him paint over. And this is called like a watercolor resist, because the wax and the crayon resist the watercolor. So as he is painting, the letters that you wrote will be revealed. And when he sees those letters, you could say, oh my gosh, look what's showing. Can you tell me what letter that is? Very easy, very fun for the kids, and it helps them learn their letters. Okay, so that was number 4. The last one that I'm going to show you guys today is called Missing Letters. And what you're gonna need for this one is a regular sheet of printer paper, markers, and I like to use magnetic letters and like a cheap cookie sheet, a metal cookie sheet. I got mine at the Dollar Tree for $1. If you don't have magnetic letters, you could use like regular foam letters, you could use wooden letters, you could even use like little letter tiles, just whatever you have on hand. And what you're going to do is you're going to write the alphabet with a marker on that piece of printer paper, but you're going to leave some letters out. And if you're using a cookie sheet, set the printer paper on the cookie sheet and say, okay, can you tell me which letters are missing, and then put them in the right space. So they can take their little thing of magnetic letters and they can say, oh, C is missing, here's C, and put it there. Or F is missing, here's F, and put it there. And it's just another simple activity. It's not just a worksheet. It gets kids moving, it gets kids thinking. It's something that most kids will enjoy doing. And yeah, I definitely recommend trying to do some actual hands-on activities with your children when you're trying to teach them the alphabet, rather than just trying to drill them with flashcards. I will have a link in the description box down below if you want some more hands-on activities, as well as links to some of my free resources that I have available. You can use flashcards in a very hands-on way rather than just drilling your child with the flashcards. So I'll have some other ideas for how to use flashcards and all of that down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you can see that I post both homemaking and homeschooling videos at least twice a week. That's my goal right now. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great day.